Welcome back to my channel, everybody. So this is the set of nails I'll be sharing with you. The point of this video is to show you new cuticle bits from MelodySuzie off of Amazon, but I am also going to show you this nail design and the removal of the product and applying the product, because I know you guys enjoy seeing hard gel videos. And I really hope that everyone's families are safe at home and are healthy right now. It's a horrible pandemic, and I hope that it ends soon for everybody's sake. I want everybody to take care out there. Anyways, getting back to the video, I'm just removing the Swarovski crystals with a nail clipper. You could also use a cuticle nipper to remove them. It's just best to do it that way versus filing them. And now I'm taking my coarse ceramic bit and I'm shortening her nails. She likes them a little shorter. She's a hairdresser. And I'm going to remove the color and check for lifting, of course. So getting back to the whole purpose of this video, it's to show you the MelodySuzie diamond bits, cuticle bits that I shared with you guys in the previous video. I had all the names of each bit and the purpose of them in that video. So if you want to check that video out, it's in the top right hand corner. I think you know what each one is called and what the purpose is. Right now I'm just showing you the ones. There's 3 of them that I'll be using, and I'll also be using the brush that you see at the end of this kit, and I'll use that a little bit later, so just watch for that. So I'm taking this pointier bit. I can't remember the name offhand. Like I said, you have to watch my other video to know exactly what this bit was called, but it's pointier. It's great for getting right under that cuticle and lifting it up so I can do better removal of the thicker part of her cuticles. So I'm going to just keep removing and lifting that cuticle on her nails, and I'll be back when I start with another bit. So the next one, you can see that I'm using, it's a safety bit, so I'm able to go right on top of her cuticle and smooth over that thickness. And this cuticle bit is really good for removing that. You'll see that as I'm doing it, that I'm getting rid of quite a bit of that thickness. And of course, remember, this always has to be at a low setting when you're working with the cuticles. You don't want to irritate her cuticles or cut them. So I was checking with her all along just to make sure that she was comfortable as I was removing that thickness. So the next bit I chose to use has been great for removing the rest of the cuticle off the nail, and also I went along the sides to make sure I got any lifting that I may have forgotten or left behind. So this one worked really good for that on the side walls. Well, I'm really impressed with these bits. I think you guys will agree it did a great job of removing her thick cuticles. So moving on, I'm just gonna remove the dust, and then I'm gonna use some isopropyl alcohol to remove the dust and oils off her nail. And as you can see, I'm applying my Young Nails Protein Bond by the cuticle on her natural nail, and then once I get that done, I'm going to let it dry, and I'll be applying my fusion base. And of course, you guys know from previous hard gel videos, I apply a really thin layer, and once I get it on all the nails, it's going to cure for 60 seconds. So I'm showing you something a little different in the video. You can see that we are choosing colors, and she had a picture, so we're gonna try and match that pretty close. They were really pretty set. So I'm taking Chic Madame and Vintage Pink, and she's deciding which one she wants. And I think she chose the Chic Madame for the one nail that I'll be using it on, and she will bring her phone up closer so we can see the inspiration photo of the set we'll be doing today. So it's easier just to open them up and show her the true colors, and then that's how she picked. And right away she'll bring her phone up and you can see it. It's honestly a really pretty set. And there it is at the bottom, the middle picture. And then that's the gold we chose. It goes on like butter. This gold is a beautiful gold, not too yellow. And before I do all that, we're going to build her nails first. So I'm going to use my 2.5 builder and build them and make sure that they're nice and smooth. So after this builder cured for the 60 seconds, I didn't show you the filing of these nails. You guys can see it in so many of my other hard gel videos, but I did show you, or want to show you, the brush in the cuticle kit, and it just really gets in there really nicely. I actually had some isopropyl alcohol on it, and it just gets in those cuticles and removes all that dust for really nice application of gel polishes, more so than the other hand where I just used the isopropyl alcohol with a wipe to remove the dust. To remove the dust off the rest of the nails, I'll just use some isopropyl alcohol because I did only use the brush for the cuticle area. So for this set, there's 2 black nails on each hand, so I'm using my Daily Charme Charme-Perfect Black, and I have a coupon code for Daily Charm. So it's up on the screen. It'll be down in the description. I love this black gel polish. It's just one coat coverage. It's really nice. So the next polish I'll be using is called Chic Madame from Madame Glam, and I also have a coupon code for them, a 30% off coupon code. That's up on the screen as well if you want to use that. I'll have it down in the description too. So I'm going to do 2 of the nails with this color, and I'll do 2 coats, but you can see it's just really great opaque coverage. I probably could have got away with 1. So the last finger will be getting that beautiful gold color, and I do not have a link for this gold. Sorry everyone, I just cannot find it. So I'm going to do 2 coats of this, and again, this one is very, very nice coverage. I probably could have got away with 1 coat. I just always go over it to make sure I didn't miss anything, and it'll cure for 30 seconds, the same as all the gel polishes once I get it done. Like I said at the beginning, this client is a hairdresser, so I'm finding that if I use my Sculpt and Shine, which is a thicker top coat, she does a lot better with her nails because her hands are in water so much. So I'm going to apply that and make sure it's nice and even and there's no indents or anything, and then I'll flash cure each one and they'll cure for 60 seconds once I get all the nails done. Again, I want to thank MelodySuzie for sending me the cuticle bits to share with you. They are a really nice set if you need some cuticle bits, and I'll have that link down in the description as well. Right now, I'm just taking some isopropyl alcohol to remove that sticky inhibition layer, and then I'm going to apply some cuticle oil to her nails. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I really appreciate you guys supporting me right now, especially with my business closed down. It means a lot to me that you guys are very supportive, and I appreciate all your comments. And please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys all soon. Bye.